Why does PowerShell silently convert a string array with one item to a string? Consider the following PowerShell script, which searches for folders in C:\/ with a og in their name. Now I narrow down the search to get only one item. The strange thing is that the first operation yields an array, whereas the second operation, which is semantically the same operation, so it should yield the same type of result, yields a string. This can be seen in the following result. This can be very irritating, since apparently there are less folders which match og than those who match prog. Evidently, PowerShell implicitly unboxes a single item array to a single object, and we never get an array of length 1. It seems that every time I want to count the results coming over the pipeline, I have to check if I'm dealing with an array or not. How can I prevent this from happening? How do you deal with this?
Evidently, PowerShell implicitly unboxes a single item array to a single object, and zero item results to $null. How can I prevent this from happening? You can't. How do you deal with this? Use the array constructor, at ... to force a collection, possibly with 0 or 1 elements, return.
Note the difference between these two results. The point is that the unboxing is being done by the pipe operation. Convert_JSON still sees the object as an array if we use input object rather than piping. An alternative to this problem is to explicitly set the variable type to be an array like this. In your case, you should use count rather than length. Count returns number of element for array-like objects, 1 for scalar objects, 0 for $null. Note, count does not work for custom object in versions older than PowerShell 6.1, which was a bug. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.